Hi friends, welcome back to another yummy tea time snack recipe. Snack time heals all wounds. If it made with your own self, it will be more precious. Come, let's watch the video until the end. This is a very easy snack. For this, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, oil, 1 spoon sugar, a pinch of salt, then give it a mix. Then add little by little water. Once the mixture is spread, you have to cut it into small pieces. Small pieces means equal size pieces. Same time I am heating the oil in another side. Now fry all the pieces until it's golden brown color. Now I am going to make the sugar coating. For this I need 1 cup water, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cardamons, and let it boil for 10 minutes. Now our yummy sugar snack is ready. We can store this in an airtight container for few months.